I'm driving down the road, and I saw something out of the corner of my eye. It freaked my wife out. So I'm making a U-turn, and we're gonna go back and get it right now. Where's it at? Was it not this one, or is it the other one?
You tripping?
I know I saw it. I know. There it is. See it?
Mm-hmm. I do.
I'm still broken. It's a flathead screwdriver. It's pretty chewed up.
Where's it gonna go?
Oh, that hurt.
Where's it going?
I got enough of these. This one's going in the bucket. In the bucket.